How to see all games you play on Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see all the games that you played on your Roblox. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first step is simply open up your Roblox. After you open up your Roblox, you should see an option that says continue. Now under continue, you should find the list of your games. Now you can simply tap on continue and you will see all of the games that you have played till now. Now these are all of the games that I've played till now. I don't play a lot of games. So this is the list of all the games that I play on my Roblox. And yeah, that's simple guys. That is how you can see all the games you played on Roblox. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.